According to a media report, the Israeli-developed Python 5 air-to-air system was denied clearance to be tested from Tejas light combat aircraft even after successful integration, since the Python 5 had failed to clear captive flight vibration test. The officials of Rafael Advanced Defense Systems were informed about the decision to keep the test pending, and they were also given measurement data of the captive flight vibration test to rectify the problem, as excessive vibration will affect the electronics as well as reliability of the air-to-air system. Rafael Advanced Defense Systems will conduct laboratory tests to fix the vibration issue, and it is expected that the Python 5 is still in the race to be equipped on the 40 Tejas Mark I and 83 Tejas Mark 1A fighter jets. According to latest media reports, the Donald Trump administration has cleared the sale of Boeing's Harpoon Block II air-launched anti-ship systems and lightweight torpedoes worth $155 million to India, which will be used by P-8I maritime patrol aircraft of the Indian Navy. The sale of 10 Harpoon Block II systems is estimated to cost $92 million, while 16 Mark 54 lightweight torpedoes and 3 Mark 54 exercise torpedoes are estimated to cost $63 million. According to the Pentagon, the sale will strengthen the US-Indian strategic relationship by enhancing interoperability with the US and other allied forces. India had signed a $3.12 billion contract with Russia for local production of 464 T-90S tanks in November 2019, which included a $1.2 billion payment for technology transfer. The price tag of the technology transfer is very high, as the engines and transmission systems will be imported from Russia, which makes up 45% of the cost of a T-90 tank. Meanwhile, the Russian defense industry yesterday delivered the first batch of upgraded T-90M tanks to the Russian army, which features a new turret, a more powerful engine, a new day and night capable multi-channel sighting system, which also allows to exchange data with other tanks in real time. According to latest media reports, the Chinese Navy has deployed an aircraft carrier group to the Western Pacific, which appears to be another training mission in the region. The group was first detected by the Japanese Navy on the 10th of April, and the carrier group is comprised of the Type 901 class fast replenishment ship, 2 Type 54A class frigates and 2 Type 52D class destroyers. India had seized a dual-use industrial autoclave from a Chinese ship on 3 February, which was on its way to Pakistan to be used in ballistic systems. A top expert has said that India needs to be mindful of the increasingly deepening alliance between China and Pakistan, and seriously take into account the two-front challenge in India's future security calculations. He also said that it is a rare occasion where India has substantial evidence to hold China accountable, and it is important that India uses this opportunity to bring international attention to the matter.